Spaces can include a variety of information that helps the architect and engineer with several design features. One of the most powerful relates to the use of property set definitions. Every space has some specific properties, such as area, assigned by default. Let's take a look at these properties and see how we can add even more data to a space. Open the drawing AMEP 12 C 0003 T 0003. Select a space in the upper left corner of the building as shown. Open the Properties dialog. From the Design tab, let's review what the space already has assigned to it. Key space properties that are created upon generation include the layer. This is based on the layer key style that is associated with spaces. Out of the box, it complies with the National CAD standard. Style. You can have a variety of styles, which control all examples of a space. To import space styles, select the Style Manager on the Manage tab. Select the Open File icon to browse to the style library. Select content from the Favorite Places list, and then select the Styles folder. Go to US Imperial, and then browse to locate the Spaces Commercial drawing. Pick it, and then select Open. Expand the selection tree on the left, and then expand the architectural objects. Pick Space Styles. To copy all of the styles into our drawing, right-click on the Space Styles title. You can also use Control to pick several styles in the right side of the dialog. After selecting, select Copy. Scroll up to the exercise file. Right-click on the title and choose Paste. When the Import-Export Duplicate dialog appears, make sure to leave Existing checked. Then pick OK. Pick OK to close the Style Manager. Next, return to the screen and select the same space. Go to the Properties palette and select the Office Medium style. Note how the style is now a different color and hatch pattern. Right-click on the space and choose Edit Space Style. The style helps with controlling how a space appears in the model, and also with design rules for sizes and names. It also helps with hatch materials for floors and ceilings, and with classifications for items such as phasing and BOMA space types. When you assign the style, a predefined list of room names is also loaded, but you can add to this list and edit as needed. Select the space again. Component dimensions reflect the overall height, ceiling height, floor and ceiling thickness, and other key dimensional data. Since the space is associative, it gets the length, width, base area, perimeter, and volume from the actual dimensions, which are defined by the bounding elements such as walls. Switch to the Extended Data tab. This allows you to add your own custom scheduling data. Some items are included by default. This includes classification of the space for phasing, BOMA standards, and more, documentation information for links to websites, notes, and reference documents such as specifications, and property sets. Property sets are not automatically added in most cases, so you may have to use the Add Property Sets icon to add more data. One key property set that engineers really need is the space engineering objects. This property set is stored by default in the AECB model, US Imperial .ctb template and includes key information that is exported to a GBXML file. A GBXML file is the format needed to export space and zone geometry and data to external applications such as train trace, which is what AutoCAD MEP spaces were originally designed to work with. From this tab, you change engineering data as shown, such as the space type, the condition type, equipment load, lighting load, occupancy, and design airflows. By storing this data with the space, you can export it to Excel, create schedules that automatically populate in AutoCAD MEP, and export or import data to external design applications. Work with your CAD manager and design engineers to figure out how much of this information you want to use, but at a minimum, add the space objects property set. Assign names and numbers to your spaces so tags can be used in view drawings, which only have to be placed once, and update automatically.